Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I think it's fine.
Yeah. Now I think.
Audience? Yeah. I think, yeah, now I'm not. Yes, it's fine now. The connection is better.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm so sorry for the technical glitch that happened. Let me just reintroduce Janvi to all of you. Because of the echo issue, there was some error. So thank you all for joining in. Namaste. मैं हूँ Geetash from the Skills School, and we have Janvi here with us today, who's a senior journalist. She has worked with DNA, the Times Group, and अभी वो currently दिव्य भास्कर के एक नए venture अहमदाबाद पोस्ट में काम कर रहे हैं. And she also shares her stories of humor and honesty on a platform called Mahila Munch. And today she will be sharing her journey of being a storyteller. Of late, I have been following her stories, which are beautiful and very real and very connected to life and to each one of us. And the idea came across that I really wanted to understand that we all connect so well to the things around us, but कभी-कभी हमको समझ में नहीं आता इसको कैसे pen down करना है, how to put thoughts on paper, on how to go about it. So Janvi, we would like to know that uh, is everyone a storyteller? Has the ability in each one of us to be a storyteller, or it takes something very special to be a storyteller?
No, I believe that everyone has a story, which is the base of creating
Right.
storytelling, be it through a written form or through an audio-visual form. So the base, the story, I think everyone has it, but then it takes patience and it takes a lot of mistakes to actually bring that out in any medium that we want to. So yeah, I think
Right.
that if we keep observing things in real life, then I think that it will be easier for us to convert our story into a real, tangible form.
So it is okay to make mistakes while you are writing or sharing your story. Do you think people will judge you? Because I think the major concern is कि लोग मुझे judge करने वाले हैं. मैं कुछ भी बोलने वाली हूँ तो.
No. So what happened with me is, so whenever we are in a group, everyone is telling a story. दोस्तों के साथ मिलते हैं, so they are
Right.
sharing कि हाँ मेरे साथ ये हुआ था या मेरे साथ वो हुआ था, or we do gossip. Gossip is also a form of storytelling where we are just connecting dots. We
Absolutely.
are saying that this happened to her and all of that. But
Right.
I was the one in the group who could never say a story in an interesting manner. मतलब मैं बोल दूं कि मैंने
Okay.
ना वॉल्केनो देख कर आई हूं तो भी आई वुड से इन अ वे दैट इट वाज जस्ट लेम इट वाज नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग इनफ फॉर अदर पीपल
Okay.
टू लाफ टू गेट एंग्री और टू गिव अ रिएक्शन. So that didn't work for me, and that's why I took rescue in writing a story or in creating an audiovisual form of the story that I want to tell. And it requires a lot of writing, rewriting, making mistakes, learning. So yeah, I think that's a whole process. कि मतलब story तो है पर बताएं कैसे?
So basically, it's finding your peace space while you are writing what your thoughts are. You know,
Yeah.
you're confining in camera, or confining in paper,
Confining.
confining
True.
with pen. You're confining
Yeah.
all of that. So
So
when, as you rightly said, yes, sorry.
No, I was just saying that you can be a storyteller, but it's also important to just find the right medium, like what works for you. Live audience, poetry works for you, or an audiovisual form works for you, or just sitting with your friends in a chai ki kitli and telling your story. So
Right.
it can be any
Yeah.
medium.
So, the followers and the viewers who are right now hearing us, I must say that you need to check out Janvi's stories, which she has been off late putting on Facebook and Instagram, because वो story I think हम सबकी एक story है. उस story में हम सब अपने आप को ढूंढ सकते हैं. उस story में हमने अपने आप को कहीं ना कहीं देखा है. It is just that the medium, the way she tells it, the way she expresses it, is what makes it real. which is like
Yeah.
not out of a fantasy movie, which is not out of a fantasy character, but everything is very real. So, are there any elements or are there any characters that when one needs to keep in mind when one is narrating a story, or there is some secret to it?
Yeah. Well, during the lockdown, I got this precious time to sit with myself. I was away from distractions of meeting people or going out with my friends. And that
Right,
gave me time to just find out my own truth and find out my own story. So I think
right.
whenever we are saying a story, it's very important that ये कहीं से उठाया हुआ नहीं है या it is not
Hmm.
influenced by something or someone. It is my
Hmm.
story, and I think that's why it is said that every story matters. Your story matters. So I think
Yeah.
the basic thing is that I'll say what I'm feeling or I'll say what I've gone through instead of just
Right.
borrowing things from someone else. So I think that's the
Yes. And
base.
instead of pleasing what anyone else would like, it is like what you would like to say.
Yeah,
Doesn't matter if
definitely.
somebody else is liking your story or not. It is whether you are liking and loving your story or not. It is like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
And
Definitely,
मैंने
definitely.
एक और चीज नोट करी है अभी,
Hmm.
कैची हेडलाइंस जो आप डालते हो, यू पुट ब्यूटीफुल
Yeah,
वन लाइनर्स और वर्ड्स.
yeah.
नाउ आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज वो भी होता है कि जब आप एक स्टोरी बोल रहे हो या लिख रहे हो या बता रहे हो, तो उसका
Hmm.
कनेक्ट या तो बहुत स्ट्रांगली होता है उसके साथ या बिल्कुल नहीं होता है, बट समवेयर डीप डाउन यू फील अरे ये तो बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट हो रहा है.
Yeah. Yes, so I do this thing that whenever I've written the story, the most important thing is कि title क्या होगा, वो theme क्या होगा, which
राइट,
is connecting the whole story. So I'll
राइट.
just tell you for all those people you have seen, my recent the story that I uploaded was on Ek Sham Mastani. So,
यस,
yeah, there I'm saying a story about a tree and my connection with a tree. Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली.
So I was thinking to pen the story as Asopalo और मैं. But then I thought कि
हाँ,
Asopalo बहुत सारे लोग relate नहीं कर पाएंगे. कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं होगा कि there is Ashoka tree. Many might not
राइट,
have seen it in real life. So to make it
राइट.
something more relatable, I had to bring in the Kishore Kumar wala element. Yeah. So I
Right.
think
So that
we
means
need
keywords, yeah.
yeah, I think it's all about maybe it's about keyword or it's about bringing a thread which can connect to people.
Right, right. And it's like a narration with words, thoughts, and objects around you.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is the
So
story that you are weaving?
yeah, so another thing that I consider when telling a story, even when I'm writing a story for a newspaper or when I'm performing poetry, is that I don't want to show the audience कि मुझे ये fact पता है, कि मुझे वो चीज पता है, or you know how
Correct,
intelligent I am, कि मैंने इतना पढ़ा है. I think when I'm telling a story, it's not about showing कि मैं यहाँ हूँ, आप लोग यहाँ हैं. It's just about
correct,
coming on the same page with the viewers. Because
correct.
अगर if I've cried or if I felt angry while creating that story, I think my audience will go through the same process. So
Right.
it's important to be on the same page.
So if you have to say somebody के शुरू कोई पूछे शुरू कैसे करना है तो कैसे शुरू करना है? Like if I am asking, मुझे भी I'm inspired by looking at your stories, but I don't know
Yeah,
where to start. How do I
yeah.
start?
So when it comes to starting, there are two things. First is that one just needs to sit down and think of our life events. एक बहुत ही important चीज मैंने पढ़ी थी that do I have to pick up from my own life experiences, and the other person
Hmm.
said that what option do you have, और कहाँ से उठाओगे?
Right,
All we have is
right,
our own experience. So what I do is I just sit down and I think about कि मैंने travel में मतलब trips कौन सी की थी, when was I heartbroken, what was the biggest success of my life, what was the weirdest thing that
right,
I've come across. So I just list down
right.
things. So and then I think yeah, how will I convert it in a form that makes it interesting for other people also. So here comes
Yeah,
the art of telling it, sharing it in a way to make it relatable to so that to help other people understand. फिर वहाँ पे format आता है
right,
that every story is like 3 parts: introduction, the body, and the climax. But I think the most important part of any storytelling, if you want to just start, is pick up an incident from your life. It should have any emotion. It is meant to make your audience cry, make your audience laugh, make your audience angry, to make your audience question something. It should have one emotion. And probably if you
Right.
have conflict, I think that अगर स्टोरी में सब सही जा रहा है, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो लाइफ की तरह स्टोरी टेलिंग में भी इट विल बिकम लाइक अ प्लेन वेनिला. इट डजंट वर्क.
Right.
This is what I believe for my story. So yeah, there should be a central character and a conflict.
And a conflict, right.
And a
Very
conflict.
interesting. Very interesting. Yes.
Yeah.
So, I agreed. I understand कि अगर मुझे अभी स्टोरी लिखनी है तो मुझे एक रोड मैप बनाना पड़ेगा जहाँ
बनाना
मुझे ये
पड़ेगा,
सब
yeah.
एलिमेंट्स लेके आऊंगी, जहाँ मैं समझूंगी
Yeah.
इसमें क्या है क्या नहीं है. But so I think it is all upon us what is a good story or what really makes a good story. We don't we it is our own this thing. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि
Yeah.
this is a good story or this is a bad story, right?
आई थिंक वो तो मतलब एक बार स्टोरी कहीं परफॉर्म करो या कहीं अपलोड करो, ओनली देन यू विल नो वेदर इट इज अ गुड स्टोरी और नॉट अ गुड स्टोरी. बट आई थिंक वी हैव टू राइट द स्टोरी इन अ वे कि इससे अच्छी स्टोरी और कोई हो ही नहीं सकती. आई हैव रिटन द बेस्ट थिंग पॉसिबल. I think because this is how you start. And whenever I've thought of an idea that I want to write a story, say on my father's illness. So first thing is just sitting before a word file, an empty word file, and just writing whatever comes to your mind. And then it's a painful process of writing, rewriting, yeah, before it actually
Yeah.
gets before the people.
आई थिंक मुझसे किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि स्टोरी कितनी लंबी होनी चाहिए, तो आई थिंक उसका आंसर आप ही दो तो अच्छा है. स्टोरी कितनी
I
लंबी
think
होनी चाहिए?
आई थिंक कि जितनी इमेजिनेशन चल रही है तुम्हारी उतनी लंबी स्टोरी हो सकती है. बिकॉज देर आर चांसेस दैट people can get bored even in your 3-minute short film, and there are chances that
Yeah.
people can be engaged, entertained in a 3 hours movie. So it all depends on
Right.
your capacity and your story. But considering that our attention span is so less these days, so it's better to start from something which is really small. I made a film, Solitude, which was barely 2 minutes. So in just 2 minutes, I'm saying that how is my life in a lockdown? I'm just talking to myself.
Right.
So yeah, I think the
Right.
length of the story really depends on your caliber, your experience, and your imagination.
Right. And I feel language also should not be a barrier. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि इंग्लिश में ही लिखनी है या हिंदी में ही लिखनी है, गुजरात, whatever language. I don't think so. Language should be a barrier for a storyteller.
I think कि हमें अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिखनी चाहिए. Whether it is, if you are speaking a language which is a mix of 3 languages, speak in that language. At least you are bringing some authenticity to your content, to your narrative. If I
Right.
try pretending like a British person, I can't do that. It's easy for people to catch
Correct.
me because I have an accent, I have a
Correct.
history, I have a different roots. So yeah, I think that authenticity in your narrative, authenticity in your like background score, I think that is very important. And if you're pretentious, audience is smart enough to catch you.
To catch you. That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. So you need to be your true self while you are narrating a story,
Yeah.
because yeah, as Janvi rightly said, authenticity is the key. और अगर हम कोई मूवी भी देखने जाते हैं तो वो कितनी authentic है, हमको उसकी
Yeah.
authenticity से पता चलता है, rather than हम ये नहीं देख रहे हैं. Yes.
Yeah, and also another thing when it comes to say about language. So if you are comfortable in Gujarati, then I think you should stick to it, because it's not about the dialogue, it's not about the language, it's about the story. And that's why if you have noticed that we read Japanese books, we see world cinema. Netflix पे हम लोग subtitles के साथ
Subtitles
words-
के साथ देखते हैं.
Yeah. So there the language is not a barrier. And I think that's the thing which we should first convince ourselves to take that first step towards storytelling.
Right. And if we want to find inspiration, where
Okay.
can we find the inspiration to write a story or to tell a story?
Well, I think that in the age of internet where we consume a lot of content, we we come across so much that I think to find true inspiration, we just need to sit with ourselves and watch good cinema. Good
Yeah.
cinema in the sense that just give yourself the exposure of saying कि नहीं Bollywood में ये चल रहा है, but
Right.
what are the English films? What are the Japanese films? What are other people
Correct.
doing? Say
Correct.
in French films, I'll just give an example that हमेशा in most films there is an intro, hero होता है, then there is conflict and then there is climax. But in French films they change the order. So कभी climax first में आ जाता है, कभी conflict last में आ जाता है. So they change the order, and that's why when you go to watch a French movie in cinema, at the end of the movie they have to give a disclaimer. They have to tell audience कि यहाँ movie खत्म हो गया. Thank you so much. Because sometimes the audience don't understand, that this is the order.
Yeah.
So,
But that is the beauty of what they are trying to create. So
Create,
it's an
definitely.
unconventional way of telling a
yeah.
story.
Yeah, so only if
So
you
there-
watch
there is
world
no-
cinema.
Yeah. So what you mean to say is there is no right or wrong to tell a
Wrong,
story.
definitely.
A
Yeah,
story is a story.
A
So
story
we
is a
need
story.
to shed, we need to shed our inhibitions कि ये story है, ये नहीं है, या ऐसा है या नहीं है. Right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, yeah. So what is it that to create any good story, what would you suggest should be, let's say if any audience wants to know कि एक content का base कैसा होना चाहिए? What do you think apart from the emotions that we are attaching to it?
Content का base कैसा होना चाहिए? I didn't get the.
Let's say 5 top content points क्या हो सकते हैं? क्या होने चाहिए? आप जब
So,
story लिख रहे हैं.
yeah. So I'll tell about the whole package, especially considering the audiovisual medium point. So first is definitely writing, because if it's not on the paper, it's not going to come on the while you are
Correct.
recording it.
Yes.
So if you think that your script is loose, if you think that ये पढ़ने में इतना मजा नहीं आ रहा, पर शायद इसका वीडियो बना लूं तो शायद it may work. Whether if I add like few interesting punchlines, it may work. But trust me, अगर पेपर पे interesting, funny या अच्छा मतलब engaging नहीं लग रहा, then it just doesn't work. Second thing is that some people want to preach. I want to talk about feminism और मैं वीडियो में feminism के ही बारे में बात करूंगी. So I think you have to consider that the video should be engaging, entertaining. I think that's why people come to you. Giving a lesson, asking, making people question is secondary. Because if people don't stick till your 5-minute video ends, they're definitely not going to get your feminism ka lesson. So I think that it should be on paper. Second thing is that engaging and entertaining is the core thing. That's why people will watch your content, and anything else is plus. Third thing is when you're creating an audiovisual storytelling, music plays a very important part because it takes your story forward. Music means everything, even your silence, the poses that you take, or the still frames, to the chaos in the background. Everything is considered. When an audience, when a commoner, a layman is watching your film, they might not consciously realize, but subconsciously it all plays a very important part. So to create an engaging story, I think your understanding of music and your understanding of कि कहाँ से music नहीं उठाना है, because you might get into copyright issues, and then YouTube or the social media channel might just delete your video. So picking up music from an authentic source is also very important.
Right. So basically music also transforms you to another level when you are telling a story.
Yeah.
Also, one more thing that I like about your audiovisual stories is the kind of vocal skill set that you use. मैं अपनी technical language में बोलूँ तो वो मतलब आपके pauses सही होते हैं, आपका narration सही होता है, आपके emphasis सही जगह लग रहे होते हैं. So I think जब हम story बोल रहे होते हैं तो ये चीजें बहुत matter करती हैं. क्योंकि वही मुझे कीवर्ड सुनाई देते हैं, वही मेरा attention जाके मेरी कहानी के साथ relate होता है या मेरी life के साथ relate होता है. So if you would like to say something on that, yes.
So most of us prefer to sit at home. Abhi matlab film shootings ruk gayi hai. The government has not given clear guidelines on whether you can just go with your a gang of 50 people on the roads and shoot. So all we have is ourselves. So all I have is myself and my cell phone. I don't have any other equipment, I don't have any other literature, and I don't have anyone else to direct.
Right.
So I think in this situation, when we all have minimal resources, whether you are a newcomer, a new filmmaker, or someone who is experienced. So I think in these times, what I speak, my tonation, or what to say, वो ऊपर नीचे, what do we say to pitch? Yeah. So I think that all the resources that we have, I think we need to put it to the best use, because now we are left in a situation जहाँ हमें 1000 चीजें नहीं मिलने वाली. I don't even have a tripod when I'm shooting a film, but you just make it work.
Absolutely. Yeah, so I think the idea is to throw the idea out and not hold back कि technicalities नहीं है मेरे पास, so ये अच्छा नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं सोचना है.
Yes, I think that if you have a very strong story, if you have your own authentic voice, all the technical glitches or not having the proper makeup or not having actors at all, I think it all can be handled. It actually doesn't matter.
Right. So, are there any questions by the audience if you want to ask to Janvi? Anything regarding storytelling? Because Janvi has given us very nice pointers where we need to हमको 3 बात पे ध्यान रखना है. हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन स्टोरी का कैसा होना चाहिए, हमारा कंटेंट बीच में पर्पस क्या है स्टोरी बोलने का, और एंड में व्हाट इज द क्लाइमैक्स दैट इज स्टोरी रीचिंग टू. एंड वी नीड टू टेल आवर स्टोरी विद authenticity, with a lot of emotion, and if we are using music, how do we use that, और हमारे relatability कैसे बढ़ानी है. All of that Janvi has discussed with us here right now. Janvi, would you like to add anything from your side?
Yeah. One thing is that when saying a story, whether in the written form or in the audiovisual form, I think it's very important to paint your scenes. Say, in written form, if I want to describe a person, I would say an old man. But then you also have to describe on what are his clothes, how does he look, how is the smell, what do you see outside. I think all these elements just help your reader to bring that imagination, to think in a certain way, and it really influences.
Bring that character live.
Yeah, definitely. And when it comes to the audiovisual medium, say, to give an example, that I want to show that my mother is in her 50s or she is old and she has worked hard all her life. So what do? I can show her just sitting tiredly on a bed. But what I did in my short film is I just showed her feet. पाँव में छाले पड़े थे या पाँव काले हो गए थे. The legs were not, वो मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर वाले हाथ पाँव नहीं थे. You know, these are things where I don't want to tell you on your face that हाँ मेरी माँ 50 साल की है या बूढ़ी है. I'm showing it in a way that I'm telling you without being कि ये है. Spoon feeding you, yeah.
Right. Yeah, like I saw that, one of your stories when you spoke about your father, तो उनकी शर्ट कुर्सी पे टंगी हुई थी और हवा चल रही थी, पंखे से वो हिल रही थी, और आपने एसी की बात करी उसके बाद. So small beautiful thing, and it's relatable to each one of us. हम सब अपने पापा को शायद वैसे देखा है जब हमारे घर में एसी नहीं होते थे, और वो कितनी मेहनत करते थे. And your journey of moving out and working. So I think हम सबकी लाइफ में ये सब है. But as Janvi rightly said, किसी भी स्टोरी को, किसी भी कैरेक्टर को जिंदा करना है. Now that character could be a shirt also, but उसको जिंदा करना बहुत जरूरी है. It could be a person, it could be, yes,
I was just saying that being subtle is something that really helps in a good storytelling, where I'm not just saying that this is a bottle. I'm just keeping it here and the audience knows that it is a bottle. So I think that just believing that your audience is smart enough, your audience is someone who has seen world cinema, or your audience is what to say, is witty enough to understand your bottle. I think that is very important.
That is,
Yeah,
and in this age of social media and so many people who are creating content these days, जहाँ पर ह्यूमर बहुत बड़ा एक एस्पेक्ट है लोगों का, अगर हम इंस्टाग्राम में कहीं जाते हैं,
yeah,
तो व्हेन आई सी पीपल क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, इट्स अमेजिंग टू नो कि कैसे सोच के इसको डेवलप कर लेते हैं, और
develop.
पता ही नहीं चलता कि देखो इतनी छोटी बात थी, और वी
Yeah,
कुडंट
yeah.
अंडरस्टैंड दिस. The idea
Uh,
is that how.
Yeah, and when you said
Yes.
about funny or funny हंसाने वाला, तो उसमें भी मुझे बोलना है कि when you're making a quick 2-minute funny video, I think you will have more views. हो सकता है ऐसा. TikTok पे वही हो रहा है. But then you have to find your own way, which medium I'm comfortable in telling a story. Like
Absolutely.
if I say about myself, it's my limitation that I can't be funny when I'm telling a story. I want drama. I
Exactly.
want tragic. I want people to feel that lump in their throat. So this is what I'm comfortable around. And if I try being someone else, कि मैं भी चलो डांस करते हुए मतलब वीडियो बनाती हूँ, all that, it might not work for me. That's
Might
not the
not.
person I
Yes.
am. So
Yes.
you will see 10,000 things on social media, but to find your own calling, that I'm comfortable.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that is
Absolutely.
very important.
It is exactly where are you getting your inspiration from for you
Yeah,
to
yeah.
write or say that story. So
Yeah.
like I am enjoying, I'm totally enjoying watching your series where you talk about things, where you talk about, I remember you आपकी shoes वाली story कि कितने पैसे इकट्ठे करके मैंने वो काले जूते खरीदे थे, and all of that. So
Yeah.
they're beautiful stories. खिड़की में
Yeah.
से आपने बोला वो, all of those stories are beautiful
Yeah.
ones, and सब अपनी लगती हैं क्योंकि वो हमारे
Yeah.
आजू बाजू हैं. So everyone will find something personal in
Yeah.
that story.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes, please continue.
yeah. So when you said about this heels, जो मैंने story की थी अपने जूतों पे. So what I did was that sometimes say if I'm picking up an incident from my life, but the premise is very interesting. हाँ जूते हैं बड़ी interesting है, but then in my real life कुछ extraordinary नहीं हुआ था. So there your imagination comes into play. So half is
Right.
fiction and half is just non-fiction, and you bring out the best of both. So whenever I'm
Yes.
creating my story, say recently when I did a short film on my mother, or something which I did on heels. So the heel story was inspired from my cousin. उसकी height छोटी है, and this is the problems that she
Right.
faced. So I think that
Right.
pick up a premise from your life, an incident from your life, and then let your horses run, and then let you just imagine कि अगर ऐसा हुआ होता तो कैसा होता.
तो कैसा
ऐसा है.
होगा?
Then you
So
might
it's like a
come-
thread of, it's like a thread.
Yeah.
You have to web it around. It's like a web. जैसे बोलते हैं
Yeah.
वेब सीरीज, वैसे अपना वेब बनाइए और अपनी सीरीज बनाइए.
Yeah,
It's
so I think
absolutely like that.
the base can be somewhere from your real life, but then yeah, you can just play around with it.
Right.
Yeah.
Somebody's commenting, Janvi is a brave girl. Yes, Janvi is very much in Ahmedabad. She's not left. Somebody's
Okay,
asking if
people are-
Janvi has left Ahmedabad.
Okay.
Anyone
that
else wants to ask any question? Please. Thank you, Yogesh. Thank you. Yogesh is complimenting that the session was very informative. Thank you, Yogesh, so much. Janvi, would you like to add anything else here? If I may miss out, because I am totally inspired by you. I
Yeah.
just wanted to do this session because कहीं ना कहीं मुझे भी लगता है कि शायद मैं भी कहानी बोल सकती हूँ, पर मैं बोल नहीं रही हूँ क्योंकि I hold और because there are things जहाँ मुझे लगता है इसके पीछे एक कहानी है, बट मैं कैसे बोलूँ,
कैसे,
मुझे नहीं
हाँ,
समझ में आता कभी.
Yeah, but I think even for you or for people who are watching, I think that first just writing it down might help, and be prepared, but don't be too prepared. So
Yeah.
I'm writing an outline, but ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ से A से शुरू किया और Z पे ही खत्म होगा. So I give it liberty so that I can improvise. So sometimes the writing process and the recording process are going simultaneously. And another thing I do, which might help the viewers, is that whenever I'm going out, अभी तो कम ही हो गया है, or whenever I'm in the house, when I'm seeing the sunlight coming from my window, or if I'm seeing something beautiful or something weird, I'm recording it on my phone. So that in
Right.
future, if I'm doing a story, I may just use it. So I'm creating a
Right.
bank of things
Images.
that images. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
look at-
So I think
Yeah,
we
so
should not limit ourselves कि once upon a time करके जरूरी नहीं है हर कहानी once upon a time से ही शुरू होती है. the idea
Yeah,
is to
def-
pick up and start.
yeah,
I think
definitely.
that's what it is. So
Yeah, and
yes, Janvi is a
storytelling में तो
brilliant
कोई
orator. Okay, so we just have a
okay.
lot of compliments for Janvi. Totally inspired. Harsh is saying totally inspired. Meghna is saying very insightful. Somebody is asking, what is your inspiration?
Like my inspiration?
Yes, some viewer is asking, what is your inspiration?
My inspiration is just the 10,000 unsaid stories that I have. And
Wow.
just the limitation that जब मैं friends के साथ खड़ी होती हूँ, I don't have the expertise to express my story. So I think all those limitations are just coming out in an audiovisual form.
Right,
Yeah, and
right.
especially if you are an introvert, this might happen to you. That you are not the coolest person in your group. You are not the person जो बोलेगा और charismatically 10 लोग सुनने आ जाएंगे. मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं
Right.
होता. अगर आप लोग भी ऐसा मानते हो तो, and I think writing a story on your blog or as a caption on Instagram or on an audiovisual form like I do, I think that it may just help you liberate.
Yeah, it's like finding yourself outside the box
Yeah.
where nobody is, like questioning, or it's like you're not guilty about anything. जैसा भी है
Yeah.
वैसा ही है, right? That you share digitally, at least we all can watch it. Yes, Harsh, Janvi shares it digitally. Any other question that we have? Prashant, I think Janvi has answered this question in the initial conversation. You can have a look. This will be saved in the IGTV button of my page. आप पूरी conversation दोबारा सुन सकते हैं वहां से. Anyone else wants to ask any question to Janvi? Please feel free to ask. Okay, somebody is saying this is not the Janvi. He's very proud of you. Yes, that is known as evolvement, how she has evolved. And I think as human beings, we all need to evolve somewhere.
Yeah, these are just school friends pulling my leg. So, yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
Pratish Nair, point noted. I will also one day
Yeah.
ask Janvi her story of who she was, maybe.
Oh God. No, no. So as a school girl, I was this introvert child who was scared of going on the playground, who was conscious of my body, and that's why I spent more time in the library and then on the playground. So this is how people
Right.
know me. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Please
Yes, I
share.
think Janvi is on a mission. She will share all the 10,000 untold stories. I think every day, almost every day, she's sharing something or the other. So I think ये 10,000 भी अभी flow में आ जाएगा. Yes, we just have to hold our horses tight right now.
My God. Yeah, and I hope you all, I mean, share your own story, because we all have stories. We just need to look closely at, how we can share them and what medium we can share them. Yeah.
No, I think, yes, I am very inspired. Maybe one of these days I will share something, even if it's a short 1 minute thing. But yes, I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes. And I think Janvi will be the first person.
And I have to thank you, because due to you, I have started taking my storytelling seriously. So what I thought, that I want to engage myself, मुझे खुद को entertain करना है. I am looking at 10,000 videos in a day, but now I want to create something of my own. So the necessity was just to engage myself, to be my own audience. And yeah, this was the first time.
Productive. It's a beautiful, productive way to be active in this time of crisis, where you are actively productive. Otherwise, so I think it's a blessing in disguise कि हमको ऐसा मौका मिला है करने के लिए ये सब चीजें. Absolutely.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, everyone, for participating. If you have any questions, we'll take it up now, or we'll wrap up the session. Please. Thank you each one of you who came and joined our live session. I heartily appreciate. मैं अभी नमस्ते नहीं कर पा रही हूँ because मेरा एक हाथ से मैंने फोन पकड़ा हुआ है, वो गिर जाएगा because of the earphone.
Yeah, but I hope it was helpful, and looking forward to more
insightful. Very, very insightful, very, very enlightening, and very, very inspiring. I must thank you again for coming on this platform and sharing your thoughts on how could you be a storyteller. I think हम सबके अंदर एक एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर होता है जिसको हमको पॉलिश करके निकालना होता है, बट ट्रायल एंड एरर के बिना शायद नहीं निकलेगा. But thank you for being an inspiration to so many of us right now and sharing your journey. Yes.
नमस्ते मैं कर देती हूँ.
मैंने सेट कर दिया फोन. All right.
Anyway.
But yes, looking forward for more such sessions, Janvi. More power to you. All the best and hope to see you soon. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.
Yeah.
And thank you so much once again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining in. I am insightful and very meaningful. I hope a lot of you must have been inspired by the journey of Janvi and how she has the power and ability to narrate stories. And I think each one of us has that. Let us utilize the insights and tips that Janvi has shared with us and start creating a story for each one of us. As she rightly said, we all have a story to share. Let's pen it down. Thank you so much for joining in. Stay home, stay safe. Tab tak ke liye namaste. See you soon. Thank you so much.